Assalamu alaikum friends, how are you today? I'm fine, alhamdulillah. Today we are going to discuss about two different type 7.5 kilowatt Lenze 8200 vector drive control card, which one also name is program card. And problem is no power. There is no power available to the display of this BFD. So here are two different types controller. Second one is 11 kilowatt. Although two control card is similar, but little bit difference we must see here. This IGBT gate driver IC model number is PC925L. PC925L. Obviously you are watching right now clearly. Yeah, this control card is good, but 7.5 kilowatt control card is IGBT gate driver 6 nose optocoupler IC almost damaged. I mean, no, there is no short circuited but not working properly. That's the cases we open 4 pieces optocoupler IC from this control card of Lenze 8200 vector drive, and 3 piece is almost soldered to according to show you. The model number is totally different from 11 kilowatt BFD, which model number is AJ312. AJ312. Really you are enjoying and watching this clearly model number of optocoupler IC. So, but this control card is showing short circuited behind the control card. Because of this, power section of control card is not good, and okay, that's the reason why the control card is not coming power of the BFD. So here a specific problem we can discuss with you. If you want to know how to repair Lenze 8200 BFD, any type of or any capacity of BFD, how to repair, so you must check behind backside of this control card. Here 330, I mean 33 ohms resistor, 3 piece. If this resistor is okay, and here few diodes are good, and 2 pieces MOSFET and transistor is good, then inshallah must the BFD power will come. Okay, so we are going to compare two control card, which one is good. Almost I have said earlier first initially that 11 kilowatt control card is good. Here is 11 kilowatt control card is good. Although two control cards looks same, little bit difference in program card and the IGBT gate control IC, which name is optocoupler. Here is used 925L, PC925L for 11 kilowatt control card, and for 7.5 kilowatt control card used IGBT gate driver IC is AJ312. Okay, AJ312. The little bit difference is here, like not so other anything else. If you want to see how to solve or find out the problem of power section, you can watch the video till end. To check power section or to repair power section or 7.5 kilowatt BFD Lenze 8200 vector drive control card. So first of all we have to check 33 ohms resistor, whether the resistor is good or bad. Here is 33 ohms resistor is, yes, 34, around little bit difference, it may be tolerance. And second one, yes, here resistor value is 33 or 0, that means 33 ohms must have to contain the value, but this value showing 0.7805 mega ohms, I mean kilo ohms around. That's the reason why this resistor is almost damaged. Number 3 resistor is 34, that means number 3 resistor is good, number 2 resistor is not good. That's the reason we are explaining here very simply. We should be 33 ohms resistor, but this value contains so many, I mean around mega ohms. That's the case, we have to must check and change this resistor. Now we have to go for check 11 kilowatt BFD control cut. Yes, 34 ohms, that means this number resistor of 7.5 kilowatt showing around 1 mega ohms, but same position of 11 kilowatt BFD Lenze control card showing 34 ohms, I mean 33 ohms is must good. Second one is showing 34, number 3 34. So major difference of these two between this control card 11 kilowatt and 7.5 kilowatt, the 33 ohms resistor is damaged. And little bit much more important tips which is better for you according to repair your device, that is, now we check this one showing short circuited, this one is same short circuited, this one same, this one same. I mean now we are measuring in diode mode digital multimeter showing same value of MOSFET. Here is showing, yes, 0.449, and we check here same component 0.447. that means our control card power section, I mean switching part of to this control card is good, only damaged 33 ohms resistor. If we can change 33 ohms resistor of 7.5 kilowatt BFD control card, I hope my control card will be repaired and will work properly. If you want to see like explanation related video, repair related video, you can comment in the box and knock me how to repair advanced level of industrial PCB. So thank you so much.